Hello, this is a brief tutorial on how to input your accommodations into your DASS student profile. Note, DASS stands for Disability Accommodations and Support Services. Step 1. Log into your MyCI account. Step 2. Once you are logged into your MyCI account, type in DASS, which stands for DASS, in the search bar on the top right hand corner of the page and press enter. Step 3. Click on the first DASS link. You will then be redirected to the DASS website. Step 4. Once you are on the DASS homepage, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on DASS Online Services Login. Note, if this is your first time logging into your DASS student profile, you will be prompted to review and accept DASS's electronic agreements before you can access your DASS student profile. This will happen on a semester basis while you are a DASS student at CSU-CI. Step 5. Once you have successfully logged into your DASS student profile, it will look something like this. You will then scroll down where you will see the classes you are currently enrolled in for the current semester. Step 6. Click on the boxes to the left of your classes to select the classes you wish to use your accommodations for, then click on Continue to customize your accommodations. Step 7. You will now see all of the classes you previously selected and all of the accommodations you have been approved for below them. Go ahead and click on the accommodations you would like to use for your selected classes. Note, you may want to use all of the accommodations you have been approved for in all of your classes, or you may only want to use certain accommodations for certain classes. It is up to you. Step 8. Once you have selected your accommodations, click on Submit Your Accommodations Request at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you have now successfully input your accommodations into your DASS student profile. Once we receive your request and approve them, your faculty will receive a faculty notification letter via email letting them know of your accommodations. Thank you, and good luck, Dolphins.